kapuso, beyond grateful sina AZ Martinez at Michael Sager sa tuloy-tuloy na suporta ng fans at may nag-organize pa nga ng fan meet for them. Makichika kay Athena Imperial.
Reunion para kina AZ Martinez at Michael Sager ang kanilang fan meet. Sabi nila they owe the meetup to their fans dahil matagal na raw silang hindi nagkikita.
Hi, finally, may gumawa ng paraan. Kasi
Wow!
ito, ayaw na ako makita. Charing, joke lang. Sobrang grateful ako for the whole meet and greet. Sobrang nakita ko yung efforts nila just like to save up for this whole meet and greet, to have everyone come over.
We are both respectively busy, and natutuwa ako that, that's a good problem, right? And she's very busy with her own things. And ayun, I haven't seen her in a while to catch up. I'm so thankful that they put so much effort to this.
One of the moments na memorable na nagkasama ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition batchmates ay para sa self-produced short film ni Michael last year.
It was just really a passion project, and I was thinking of someone I wanted to be partnered up with. And I had really, the first one that came to my mind was AZ. A story about two people na muntika na siguro ma-attract sa isa't isa.
Oo nga.
I mean, well, alam niyo, yung character kasi nung girl doon sa Opposites Almost Attract, kasi siya, medyo hard to get, medyo suplada, oo. And sabi ko, I wanna see AZ in that sense na, we're really close na kasi.
Sabi ni Michael, hopeful siyang masundan pa raw ang films na gagawin niya.
Iba pala na ma-realize mo or ma-experience mo yung na-experience ng prod. Grabe, nakaka-stress din. But siguro because of that way, I'm able to go around all the roles in a setting of film production. And mas na-appreciate ko lalo, especially now in my serye in Born to Shine. I see the struggles of everybody.
Meanwhile, pabalik-balik pa rin si AZ sa Surigao del Norte para sa shoot ng romantic comedy series na Love Siargao na pinagbibidahan ni Alden Richards at Nadine Lustre. Tuwing shoot breaks, na-enjoy niyang lumibot sa isla.
My brother is there kasi, my stepbrother is there, so I would go with him. And ayun, I just go to the places that I always go to. There was a time na I just went out alone.
Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happening!